Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video here on how to change service intervals and things in GoFormz. So I'm looking right now and it looks like we've got a post here to change the interval for BT03's service. It needs to be updated to 1517. So if I go over to GoFormz right here, you can log in. Everybody has admin access to do this. Just do this when you pick up machines that have been serviced and then it's done. We don't have to have out-of-date service intervals showing in our GoFormz. So this is the website backend. Just log in with your email and your password and go to templates, just like I'm doing right now. It'll load all the templates for all the forms that we use. And then once that's all loaded up, we'll edit the field. So I'm going to be looking for the service interval, which will be found in our driver's daily vehicle inspection form. So this is the actual form. This is like the back end of the form. So we kind of see this when we're using it in laptop mode, but this is like the actual fields. So what we're going to be doing here is looking for the service interval, which is right there. Go over to customize, and this is the service intervals for everything that we have. So here's where BT03 is 1417. If I need to double check, it's 1517 is where we want to update that to. So just change it over here and 1517. You'll notice that it changes over here in the value side. So you want to make sure both of those are the same. Sometimes you can change the value of what it's worth to a different thing than it shows over here. But for now, this is just super easy. All you have to do is just go done and make sure you save your changes. So now that says template saved, basically if you were to go into the GoFormz app now and bring up just the regular app, so this is not the back end but the regular app, hit this little sync button, you'll see that it'll usually say saving something as a change, and then when you go back into the next form, it'll see this is download a new form. So it's because we've changed the template in the back that's showing. And then when you go to your service interval here, you'll have 1517. This works for changing CVIs. Anything with a drop down, it's all the same. So if you wanted to change the CVI, you go to where the CVI is, select customize, change the date for your unit here. Just always make sure you hit OK and then save the changes on your way out, and that'll just change it. So let's just make sure all the crew leads or whoever's picking up maintenance stuff for maintenance, just change this when you grab it, and then it's done. In Grauman, if you see that there's mobile machinery that needs to be due, it's all located in that form. So if you go into this back end and you look for your chipper pre-op, okay, service due. You can go in just to what you're familiar with. This is the same list as the one that we just changed. It's a shared list, which is why you see all the units, because it's just easier to have them in one spot. So if you need to change like chipper O2 service interval, do it here. Make sure they're both a save. Click done. Click save the changes. And then when you refresh your app or you sync it, you're going to have all of those updates come filter through across, and then you can do it automatically, like literally out in the field. It's a little bit easier. You cannot do this from the web back end on a phone. It has to be a laptop. So that's just a one thing. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that to make it easier for you guys to take care of that out in the field when you're working, and then you don't have to, instead of posting it here and just leaving it for somebody else to do, if you pick up that machine, just go into GoFormz, change the service interval, and then it's done. We don't even have a post to Slack. There's nothing to do. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you out.